5 different ways to use the glitch effect. 1. Start your video with a sense of disruption. On video track 1, I'm starting the video, and all I need to do is add the glitch impacts to the start of the clip. In the effects browser, search for glitch, and here you'll find the FI Glitch 2.0 impacts sitting in the film impact distortions. To apply, simply drag and drop. See what happens out of the box. When I put my playhead over somewhere in the middle of the transition, simply click the effect and head over to the Effects Controls tab. Here you find the Surprise Me button. I suggest you click it and look for a particular style that matches your needs. Oh, this is good. I like the coarse resolution here. So play it back, see what happens. That's a beautiful way to open up the scene. Going to 2, apply the glitch impacts to the text elements. Here's the text element sitting on track 2, and again, add the video transition to the start of the clip. Simply drag and drop and see what happens out of the box. You can customize and tweak this video transition simply by clicking the effect. Then going to the Effects Control section and again play with the Surprise Me button. There you go. 3. Create a stylized music video. For this, I'm gonna place a clip onto my timeline. Here I'll find a dancing guy, and what I'm gonna do is make some jump cuts inside of here. So push C for cut and make specific cuts into the clip. Then simply remove some of the pieces. And now on the specific cuts that we've created here, the jump cuts, we're gonna apply the Glitch 2.0 impacts. Simply drag and drop and play it back. Now double-click the transition and shorten it to, say, 12 frames. Play it back. There you go. Again, go to the Effects Controls tab, hit Surprise Me to find a specific one that you like. Here's a cool example. Beautiful. Copy and paste the transition over to the other cut. Now these 2 transitions are exactly similar, so what I'm gonna do is select the second cut and play with the pattern. Simply drag the pattern to another number, and that will give you another iteration of the same effects using the same settings, and it matches the first one without being identical. 4. Transform a photo into glitch art. For this, I have a photo sitting on video track 1, and I'm gonna create a new item called adjustment layer. And an adjustment layer is simply a merged representation of anything that's below there. It basically squeezes down all the tracks below, and I can add effects and transition to the adjustment layer. Simply create a cut, then apply the Glitch 2.0 impacts, and I'm gonna lengthen the transition all the way. And to make it static, I'm going to the transition timing and set both the start and the end to 50%. Now we've created a static photo with glitches. Simply click the transition and play with the Surprise Me. And did you know you can go back in time, so you can select the previous one. So Command Z will take you 1 step back, and this is a beautiful one. And now you can stack the glitch effect and basically copy and paste the adjustment layer. And again, click the transition, press the Surprise Me button, and now you can add another layer of glitches to this specific photo. 5. Create realistic bad signal security camera footage. For this, I've set up a track with 4 different clips, and on camera 1, I've already applied the glitch effect. Check out the noise interference. Let's do that for camera 3 as well. Select the camera, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna nest this item, and it basically brings me to a separate sequence. I'm gonna call it camera 3 nest and double click it. Now this track is isolated. I can apply the glitch impacts to it. Let's make a cut. Drag and drop the video transition, give it a little bit room to breathe. There you go. And now this might be too much. You can either lower the master and make it very subtle. There you have a beautiful, realistic bad signal security camera footage. These are 5 different ways to use the Glitch 2.0 impacts. Enjoy playing around with this particular plugin, and don't forget to add some noise interference sound effects to emphasize that visual effect. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and see you next time.